Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Wechat in your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, this is going to be a very quick tutorial. So the first thing you need to do now is head over to your Play Store and then in search type in Wechat, and then there's Wechat there, the second option, the green with those little speech bubbles there. So click into it, click on install, and wait a few moments, half a minute for this to install. Alright guys, I'm going to pause this video while this installs. It's taking a little bit longer than half a minute. Write down in the comments below how long it's taken you to download and install. Alright, as you can see, it is installed. So now what you need to do is click on open. And click on allow, and to create a new account click on sign up. So you can either sign up via mobile or Facebook. I'm going to click on mobile, and now here you put in your name, choose your country or region where you live in, put in your phone number and then enter a password. Click on here to say you've read and accept the terms and service, and then click on accept and continue. Or sign up via Facebook, go back, click on sign up via Facebook, click on continue as you, give it a few moments to load, continue as, and then you'll be brought to this screen again. So you enter your phone number and password and then click on the terms and service again, then click on accept and continue. So yeah, that's it guys for this video. How to download Wechat and create a new user account. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it. It helps us out a lot.